And during this COVID period, the pandemic period, is this skill very helpful to you?
It is this skill that helps people. People will be in queue to join this group. Just I will let you see my desk. This is the care model I had put here.
Ah, very nice.
This is the care model which I used to learn, and so whenever I this is the cheat sheet. Whenever I feel that I had to study these sheets, what I had learned from you, I used to refer them, and this is the way which fits for me. That I study this cheat sheet. I study points of care model, and slowly, steadily I apply it to persons, apply it to my team, apply it to my customers, and I get success. And slowly, steadily, I am developing myself for persuasion mastery. That
Hmm.
was there, sir.
Very good, very good.
I
So,
had started the session from 25th of October, your session last year, 25th October 2020. And we had approximately 20 people, and we are doing around 4 months of training, right, sir, with you.
yeah, yes.
And uh, first or after first session, which I feel a very basic session.
Hmm.
But after that, when you give the jinx of this persuasion mastery, that care model, and every point you explain the model, and that helps me to understand what the actual the training part is. And slowly, steadily, from the sessions we used to do role models, and from there I keep learning. And after January, February, I applied it with my team, right? And from with my team, with my customers, handling objections, and means how I can means persuade people or persuade the buyer. In that way I started the journey. And from even once or twice I had a telephonic call and WhatsApp chat with you after training completion. What I the feel the best thing about your training and about your coaching is you are absolutely giving personal touch to each and every member. You had a not a class of 400, 500 people, or 200 people, or hundreds of people. You had a small class. You give a personal touch, and which is very important.
Hmm.
And it feels from my talk right now, you can feel that I can share with you everything. Right now I'm in my office, and I can share with you everything.
Hmm. Very
Right, sir.
nice, very nice. Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah,
what
sir.
what are some of the results that you've got, Paricha, after you've done that, you've applied with your team? Talk to me about your results that your team has got in terms of leads that generated to sales. Talk about that. Conversion
what,
rate, everything.
what is the thing is that I applied it from in the month of May. I applied it to my 4 interns. We had hired 4 interns for our summer internship. And at that time in India, we had problem of corona. We are not able to move outside our homes. So the main weapon is this. And for this weapon, the bullet is your training.
Hmm.
Best thing I can learn from your training is that persuasion, the care model. The person is not in front of me. I had to first of all I had to apply the care model. So care model applying, and then this thing what I learned, I applied it to I let the interns learn these things. And we make one model, and we start persuading our end customers and farmers. The interns start persuading, start calling. I give them basic fundamentals of phone numbers to them. They start calling them, and they are happy, they learn new thing, and they are means बहुत उनके लिए भी फर्स्ट टाइम था कि कुछ ऐसा भी होता है क्या सर, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं क्या, टेलीफोनिकली अपने कॉल करके परसुएट कर सकते हैं क्या. और बहुत अच्छी तरह से देन दे स्टार्ट persuading, and day by day increasing. In past 1.5 months, approximately 4,000 numbers that I had given to them to let the farmers convince approximately, let the customers convert approximately 70 to 80%. Then the sales team will handle how to close the deal. So the ratio is around 30 to 32% ratio is there from their calls, total overall calls what they had done. And
Conversion,
30%
32% conversion.
conversion is there from 4,000 calls. And we are happy with these numbers because people doesn't usually in India or in basically a rural people doesn't easily get convinced or means get trusted by a telephonic call.
Hmm.
Basically,
Yeah.
we and you know each other, and
Yes.
I had a mindset that if somebody calls from me from a agency, how I should talk, how what are my questions, what will be your questions to ask me, and always closing the call with a question, with a statement, always closing the statement with a question. So from past 3 to 4 months, I had made one habit of this thing. So I'll keep them learning, these students and interns, and they are also happy with this learning. They are also saying me mentor. I am not a very big mentor. Are people like Sukhdev Sethi mentoring many people. So it
That's
is
good.
there. It is the feedback of past 3 to 4 months from last February. Our training ended, and from that time.
That's good. That's good. So
Yes, yes.
as a person also, you've sort of how has that impacted between you and your team members in terms of the whole care model? Is the relationship better as well?
One word I told you, sir. They start saying me Guruji and mentor to me. I am not that kind of person. I'm a very what comes to my heart, he usually tells to them, okay, do
Yeah.
this thing, apply this thing, you
Yeah.
will get success.
Yes.
And they are getting success. So they are saying कि ये कोई जादूगर है, कुछ बताता है सही जाता है. वो मालूम नहीं जादूगर की कड़ी वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में सुखदेव सर ने लगाई हुई है.
नहीं आपने मेहनत की है, that is good. I'm just training you, mentoring you, but you actually took action, which is
I
very,
get
very
the
good.
ground to play what you had what the techniques you had make me learn. So I
Yeah,
applied it today.
that's
Yeah,
very nice.
and
Very,
still it is a learning phase. Only 20%, 30% what I had learned from you, I had applied to them.
yes,
Still there is 70% basic things that I had to get mastery for those techniques,
that's
and I
good.
will start applying to them.
That's good. Really nice to hear. You actually made me feel like there's a bit of emotional feeling that when I see you get success, I feel nice. Very, very good.
No, that is the basic part of your nature, and that is the basic part of Sukhdev sir, that you get in touch with the each and every of your students or your mentees, huh?
Mhm.
Right?
That's great. Now, Paricha, if people are listening to this and they're thinking that, should I also learn from Sukhdev Sethi? Should I do sales? Should I do persuasion mastery? What would be your advice to them or encouragement to them? Maybe they're thinking, how is this different from any other course? Is Sukhdev actually for real? Is it, can I do it myself? What would be your advice to them?
First advice will be, you are very different from other coaches. You are a pure diamond, और हिंदी में बोलते हैं पारस, मतलब वो आपको छू लिया तो आप भी सोना हो जाओगे. तो you have to understand them and let them feel. Just 2 minutes. You just means you let people feel that the actual training is what actual training is. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट कि आपने बहुत सारी चीजें बता दी, आपको बहुत एक अंदर से छोटी सी फीलिंग, मोटिवेशन वाली फीलिंग डाल दी अंदर, और आप बहुत ज्यादा मोटिवेट हो चुके हैं कि मैं कुछ कर जाऊंगा. बट you had mastered this persuasion mastery, and this subject itself is a very vast subject to learn, and you had mastered that. So from learning from learning from your side, it should be bit slow from our side, from the students, but it will be successful. And part of success is that it should be applied to their field, to our field.
That's right. Yes.
To the new trainees or to the new students which are joining your courses, my message is very clear. Trust in your sessions, slowly start learning them. I'm a slow learner, but I had very vast field to apply it. So I keep learning and start applying slowly and slowly.
Hmm.
So after 3 to 4 months or 5 months, you will get that, oh, ये वो था जो आज मुझे समझ में आ रहा है पहले सेशन से मैं आज अलग हूँ. एंड इट इज ए स्लो प्रोसेस, इट इज नॉट अ वेरी फास्ट प्रोसेस कि
Hmm.
आपने 4 सेशन अटेंड कर लिए एंड यू विल बी ए किंग इन परसुएशन मास्टर, यू विल लर्न. नो, slowly understand, keep applying, and one will be the part that around 20-30% your techniques will be helpful in this thing.
Yeah, that's actually a very good point. It nothing is a fast learning. Like people do fast and then, like they say, right? A diamond is under pressure for a long time, then a diamond
Long
is
time,
formed,
sir.
you know.
It
So I
comes
think
from.
this is a very good message that it is a learning process, and we do role plays as we go. Did you enjoy the role play sessions?
Yeah, I enjoyed the role play sessions and this learning process. One thing is also clear. It might be there that some learners are good in our class only. 2 or 3 persons were there who were very fast learners, and they applied it in their field, and they are coming with flying colors. Means very nice,
Hmm.
successfully
Yes,
coming out,
yes. Great.
successfully doing their business, applying your techniques.
So my last question to you is, do you
Yes, sir.
think people out there needs to learn sales persuasion mastery? Yes or no?
Yes, sales persuasion mastery is must in the next decade. This is the best subject that can be learned in the first year of this decade. The next 10 years, this subject will be must for all in schools, in colleges, or in, but this subject is must for all. And you had mastered, you had your own techniques, and you make them learn very easily by your different techniques of role plays and other things. So and your cheat sheets and your presentations, so that can be learned and that can be applied slowly.
Yeah.
And
And
that can be
during
applied in their field, not slowly, but applied in your field.
yes, and during this COVID period, the pandemic period, is this skill very helpful to you?
It is this skill that helps people.
How does it help
you
them?
you can show that photograph of yours sitting in the top of a mountain in a snowfall and talking on a phone and closing your business deals.
That's right.
This
Yeah.
is this is this is the brand ambassador signature style of your course.
That's right. That's right. That's
Yeah.
true. That's true. And it has it helped your business in the COVID and pandemic period?
Yeah, it helps my business. I had already give you the example of my
Ah,
interns that they are successfully closing 30% deals.
yes.
So being an intern, they are very raw persons. Means they doesn't had any mastery for they doesn't have the mindset to learn persuasion mastery. But applying bit of your training to them helps in closing deals. Bit of your training on 20, 20, 30%, which I properly mastered those things and applied to them.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah, sir.
Fantastic. Thanks so
Yeah.
much, Parichay. It's
No,
really
no,
good
it's
to see that
my
you're doing
pleasure.
fantastic. You're doing well. You've implemented.
Yeah.
Do keep in touch. Like in the community, keep posting your questions, and people are winning, right?
Yeah, people are winning, and I will be in touch. I will remain in touch, and it is my pleasure that I am with this community. And I think in next some years, uh, people will be in queue to join this group. Right,
Thank you
sir?
very much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Parichay, and all the
Thanks,
best to you as well,
thanks
to
to
your
you also.
business. And
Yeah.
really, really nice having a chat with you. Fantastic.
Yeah, I also, because past from 1 to 2 months, we had not uh, meet face to face.
Very good. Very good.
Hope everything is fine at your end, sir.
Everything is good out here. It's all good. We've got this right. You told me, right? We've got this. So it's all good.
This is our weapon.
That is true.